In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a glass effect to a picture shape word art in PowerPoint. If you want to give your slides a more polished, creative, and professional look, this simple effect can make a huge difference. It only takes a few clicks, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to apply it confidently to your own designs. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any small but important details. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy PowerPoint tips and tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and go to the slide where your picture-shape word art is located. This effect works great when you have text filled with an image, which is commonly created using word art with a picture fill. Once you have your slide ready, the first step is to click on the image or the picture-filled word art shape that you want to edit. Make sure the object itself is selected. You'll know it's selected when you see the selection handles around the edges. After selecting the image or word art shape, look at the top of your PowerPoint window. You'll see a new tab appear in the ribbon. This tab is called Format. Depending on your PowerPoint version, it may say Picture Format or Shape Format. Go ahead and click on the Format tab. This tab gives you access to all the styling and visual effect tools for your selected object. Now that you're inside the Format tab, look for the section called Artistic Effects. This option allows you to apply different visual filters to your image, similar to filters you might see in photo editing apps. Click on Artistic Effects to open the gallery of available effects. You'll see multiple preview thumbnails showing different styles you can apply. From the Artistic Effects gallery, scroll through the options and locate the effect called Glass. Once you see the glass option, click on it. Immediately, you'll notice the texture of your image changes to a frosted or textured glass appearance. This effect adds a subtle distortion and surface texture that makes your word art or picture shape look more dynamic and visually interesting. If you want to refine the effect further, you can click on Artistic Effects Options at the bottom of the gallery. This opens a formatting pane where you can adjust settings such as transparency and scaling to control how strong the glass texture appears. Play around with these settings until you achieve the exact look you want for your slide design. And that's it. You've successfully added a glass effect to your picture shape word art in PowerPoint. As you can see, it's a very quick process, but it can dramatically enhance the visual appeal of your presentation. This technique is especially useful for title slides, section headers, or any design where you want your text to stand out with a creative touch. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and effective PowerPoint tutorials. I post easy step-by-step guides to help you improve your presentations and save time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.